Welcome back guys to my channel. This is Tirchwati Mitra again got united with all of you. I think everyone is really very fit and fine and also accelerating yourselves towards the ultimate pinnacle of success. So without any more further delay, let's get straight to the main point of view for what I have replicated myself and also got influenced with all of you. So today I am going to discuss one of the most important topic in English grammar, namely determiners. Yes, you have heard the right thing. This is determiners. So first of all, we have to know and conceptualize that what is determiners. ये जो होता है determinants वो क्या होता है? In Bengali, this is also called निर्धारक. I think everyone, like majority of the people in my society, in my locality, must be knowing about all the characteristics, traits, classifications, structures, utilizations of determinants. But even then, the few percentage of people who are yet to know about the classifications, explanations of determinants, this video is only for all of you. If you are beginner, then this is undoubtedly for you. You are the first priority for the video. So let's get straight, let's start it. Okay, so what is determinants? So if anyone asks me that provide an explanation about determinants, then I must say that determinants is just a term which can be placed in front of noun in a sentence and also represents, also show the numbers, also quantify the numbers, the percentage, the quantity, and clarify all the references, all the conceptions, all the informations about the noun. Like it usually represents what the particular noun does exactly refer to. It might be specific and particular. So determinants वो टर्म ये एक सेंटेंस में नाउन के पहले सेट होता है होके नाउन के बारे में हर कंसेप्शन, हर इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं. सो द वे ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटिंग द क्लैरिफिकेशन ऑफ नाउन कैन बी डन इन डिफरेंट वेज. जो वे होता है, तरीके होता है, लाइक डिपिक्ट करने का, डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट करने का नाउन के बारे में कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन, वो लाइक देर आर लॉट्स ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशंस एंड क्राइटेरियाज. सो इन दिस वे, in this manner, the term determiners can be classified in 6 major types. ये जो determiners है उसको 6 classifications है उसका, वो डिवाइड किया जाता है 6 classifications में, 6 types में, 6 ways में, such as like these are article. We know about the article a, an and the. Thereafter possessive. Possessive होता है कुछ आपका possession में है, like something is under your own possession, so that's why this is called possessives. like possessives में आपको मिलेगा my, his, her, their. okay, thereafter demonstrative. demonstrative मतलब क्या होता है? कुछ व्यक्त करना, कुछ like प्रकाश करना, कुछ रिप्रेजेंट करना, कुछ डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट करना, लाइक कुछ एक्सप्लेन करना, कुछ इंटरप्रेट करना. ओके, सो डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव्स में आता है दिस, दैट, दोज, दिस. लाइक दिस इज माई पेन, ये मेरा पेन है, तो मैं यहाँ पे डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट कर रहा हूँ उस पेन को कि ये मेरा है. ये किसका है? मेरा है. ओके, लाइक हियर बाई आई एम ट्राइंग टू डिपिक्ट, ट्राइंग टू प्रेजेंट about the possession or about like the pen. Okay, I am demonstrating, I am depicting the issue. Thereafter quantifiers. quantify मतलब परिमाप करना, measurement. like कुछ percentage, कुछ लोगों का quantify करना. तो such as अगर if I try to give examples of quantifiers, then it will be like few, little, very few, like a very few people are here. Okay, represent here. So thereafter a little moment after the program will be going like will be started, sorry, or will going to be started. So a few, very little, these are the examples of quantifiers. A small, little, a little, little bit. Okay, you got it. Thereafter numerals or number. ये होता है 1 2 3 4 5, like 1 2 3 4 5 6. okay, like I gave him a 1 rupee note. Thereafter you also can say that the time for examination has been fixed for 3 hour or 2 hour or 2.5 hour, 1.5 hour. okay, like hereby you were representing the noun hour Okay, like for examination the time has been set for 3 hour, 2 hour, 2.5 hour. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, and the last one is ordinal. Ordinal hota hai like first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Thereafter you may also consider it like next. Okay, so first, second, third, fourth, these are called ordinal. Like you can undoubtedly use before noun such a ordinal determinants, like Ramesh is the first boy in the class. So here by Ramesh, what is Ramesh? Ramesh is the first boy. Boy is a common noun, and before the noun के पहले आपने first use किया, तो ये noun जो है boy का place को ये demonstrate कर रहा है, boy का conditions को, qualities को, कि ये first है class में, first आए हैं. Okay, so he is the first boy. Like Ramesh is the first boy in the class. So somehow I have tried to discuss about determiners in a very short way, in a very brief way about determiners. Now I am showing a little chart so that you can be able to write down all the things and also get it very clearly. So just stay tuned and have a little glimpse on the chart what just I am going to show to all of you. So hereby you can very easily watch all the types of determiners with a proper explanations. So here is written that determiners are used in front of nouns to indicate whether you were referring to something specific or something of a particular type. As I told to all of you earlier that वो नाउन के पहले सेट होता है और इंडिकेट करते हैं कि वो जो नाउन है पर्टिकुलर वो एग्जैक्टली क्या रेफर कर रहे हैं, समथिंग स्पेसिफिक और समथिंग ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर टाइप. सो द क्लासिफिकेशंस ऑफ determiners are, as I told earlier, articles, ordinals, numbers or numerals, demonstratives, possessives and quantifiers. Articles में है a and the, ordinals में है first, second, third. Thereafter you also can consider like last, next. Okay, numbers or numerals में 1 2 3 4 20 50 100 like numbers. Demonstrative में मैंने जब कहा था, जैसे कहा था कि these, that, these, those. Possessive में like which is under your possession, like my, your, his, her, its, our, your, their. And last one is quantifiers. Quantifiers में like few, much, any, every, more, much, few, little, such as. तो मैं ये जो आर्टिकल्स से ए एन द अगर सेंटेंस में हम लोग ट्राई करते हैं, कोशिश करते हैं यूज़ करने के लिए, तो ये होगा लाइक दिस इज़ अ पेन. ओके, दिस इज़ अ पेन. और आई हैव बॉट अ कार. सो आर्टिकल ए यूज़ हुआ है कार और पेन के पहले. ऑर्डिनल्स में फर्स्ट लाइक रमेश इज़ द फर्स्ट बॉय इन द क्लास. बॉय कॉमन नाउन, इसके पहले एड हुआ फर्स्ट. ओके, नंबर्स लाइक 1. द टाइम फॉर एग्जामिनेशन इज़ 1 hour. आर ये एक नाउन है, कॉमन नाउन. इसके पहले 1, ये डिटरमिनर्स यूज़ हुआ है. डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव्स लाइक दैट, दीज, दोज. दैट हाउस इज़ ऑफ माइन और दैट इज़ माई कार. ओके, you can use like that, or that house is of mine, like ये जो घर है ये मेरा है. so house ये noun है, house के पहले that use हुआ. okay, then after possessive like this is my mobile, ये मेरा मोबाइल है, like this mobile is under my possession, that's why. okay, like your, his, her वगैरह बहुत सारे आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. my, your, his, her एक सेंटेंस में आप खुद से ही सेंटेंस क्रिएट कर सकते हो. Last one is quantifiers. Quantify करते हैं percentage, like some people, okay, any topic, every members of the group, like that. Like you are more brilliant, more diplomatic he is, okay, and Ramesh is much better, something like that. Very few people, a little percentage of people, like जो percentage होता है जो quantify करते हैं, measurement होता है यहाँ पे. So these are somehow all the discussions on determiners in a very brief way. I think all of you have got all the things minutely. If it is so, then I am really very thankful to all of you. Thank you.